Hey, this is AJ for the Disney 411 News. This past week, Disney released the first episode of its new YouTube series, We Call It Imagineering, which gave fans a first look at many of the new animatronics which will be coming to Tiana's Bayou adventure. You can find the full video over on the Walt Disney Imagineering YouTube channel, which is also linked in the Sorcerer Radio Discord. Additionally, this past week, construction walls have been pushed back in the attraction area, more scaffolding has been removed, and also the new main entrance sign has been installed. Staying at Magic Kingdom, casting is now underway in preparation for this year's Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party for a range of entertainment roles across shows and parades. Moving over to Epcot, final installations are underway ahead of the opening of Communicore Hall this June. This past week saw new signs being installed throughout the area. Additionally, this past week, Disney have also debuted a new acrobatic show in the Inspiration Gardens area of Celebration Gardens. The new Forces of Nature acrobatic show will be performing 6 times daily, Saturday through Wednesday. Beginning June 17th, Test Track will be closing in Epcot for its extensive refurbishment, which was announced at Destination D23 last year. Along with the announcement, new concept art was released for the outside of the attraction, with a completely new entrance and sign. There is no current estimated return date, but we will be keeping you posted. Moving over to Hollywood Studios, the new scenes and transmissions have now debuted for Star Tours. Along with this, a new poster featuring the Starspeeder 1000, Ahsoka's T6 Jedi Shuttle, and also the Purgle Hyperspace Whales is also on display outside the attraction. Moving over to Disneyland, Disney have announced that plans are underway to replace the gas-powered cars at Autopia with new electric vehicles. However, there is no news yet as to if these changes are also planned for Tomorrowland Speedway at Magic Kingdom. Additionally, Disney have released concept art for the potential Pandora-themed area at Disneyland. Whilst no official news has been announced for the land, which is expected to feature as part of the Disneyland Forward expansion, the concept art appears to draw inspiration from the coastal and ocean clans featured in The Way of Water. And finally this week, cast member pin trading has returned to Walt Disney World. Make sure to keep an eye out for cast member pin lanyards and pouches on your next visit. You may even find some exclusive pins that can't be found anywhere else. And that's your 411 quick take today. Head over to the Sorcerer Radio Discord at srsounds.com/Discord to chat along and keep up with the latest news. And don't forget to tune into our hosted shows throughout the week.